Rồi. Hello, Grayson. Hello, Paw Patrol. Back.
Ow, hey!
Pick up.
I already chose this one.
You ready to choose that one?
Machine.
Okay.
I didn't read it.
Ngồi xuống đây. The Monster Machine.
What's this kind of monster?
I found it.
Huh?
I found the book.
No, the...
You have one, right?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you. You found it. The monster.
The Monster Machine. Nào, đọc đi, đọc ơi.
I'm going to put this away.
Đây tí đọc. Đọc luôn. Để đây.
Right. Monster.
Nào. Cái này đọc rồi mà đúng không?
I didn't.
The Monster Machine. Ồ, bố nhớ rồi, cái này đọc rồi. Đúng không? We read this already, huh? No? Yes?
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's read it. My daddy.
You skipped one page.
No, that's the first page. The Monster Machine. Okay? Okay. My daddy is an inventor. He spends all his time in his workshop inventing things. He has just finished his latest and greatest invention.
This is
The Monster Machine is huge, all pies and wires and buttons and levers. We read it already. I'm 100% sure, but it's okay. We still can read it again, okay? It has a big funnel at the top.
Funnel though.
Funnel đây này. See that?
And what are these?
Here. Look, this is a funnel. Okay? Big funnel. So, Daddy put the ingredient in the funnel and it will go to the machine. And it working, machine working, and look, monster.
Yuck.
I know, so yucky. What do we have here? We have
Snail.
and
Spider.
and
Fly.
yeah, put a lot of crazy things, scary thing in the machine, and it's working. Okay?
Who doing this? He
That's
did
that.
what?
Daddy.
It working.
Monster. Oh, so he made all kind of monster.
Huh?
A big one, a furry one, a scary one, a slightly one, a hairy one. Everything in between, okay?
What's this scary?
I don't know. The monster know what kinds of thing, know all kinds of thing. Okay? They can watching TV.
Watching TV though.
I don't know why. Oh, they can read books. Okay?
Like me.
Like you. Oh, they can watch TV. See? That's a TV. They sit in front of the TV. Right?
Is this the TV?
That's Discovery. Oh, Daddy.
He's a zombie.
Maybe.
He's a zombie.
No, he's the son. That's Daddy. That's Grayson. Okay, and what do? Oh, they working. They measure, they saw, they hammer and nail.
Here, nail though. Like I took the nail.
Mm-hmm. They chisels and sand
Sand
and polish.
Polish though.
Đây. Sand đây này. Sanding đây này. Đấy.
That
And
feel
pen.
better.
Ooh,
You scratch
a
me.
flying machine. So the monster helped Daddy build a flying machine.
A flying machine? I can believe.
What does it look like?
An airplane.
That's an airplane, and it's fly up to the sky. Bye bye, monster. Bye bye.
Why Daddy and Grayson don't come on there?
Hmm?
Why Daddy and Grayson don't come on there? He become the monster.
That's right. We read it right now. Another book. Want this one?
Yeah. Happy to you.
Oh, Greece.
Oh, Greece. I didn't read it.
I don't think so.
I didn't.
Look. Greece is a monster truck, and proud of it. He has a powerful electric motor and 4 super big tires. He also has 4 big brothers, bigger than him, just like Bo. His brother loved to race and perform stunts. Flash is a fast car. Pinball is a brain, read a lot of book. And Crash is the widest.
Who's this?
Crash. Crash is the mean truck, and tank biggest one. And
Crash and Leslie.
Crash like very tough and a mean monster truck. Okay.
He's a mean one.
Okay. What is this?
If somebody touch him, what happened?
What's his name?
Uh,
Flash.
Flash.
What's his name?
Pinwheel.
Pinball.
Pinball.
What's his name? Crash.
Crash.
And what's his name?
Tanker.
And what's his name?
Flash.
Elbow Grease.
Elbow Grease.
And they okay, happy birthday to Elbow Grease.
Yeah. And Splash.
They perform a lot of things. So Elbow Grease. Oh, so he takes a bath and clean up. Shiny. Vroom vroom. Right. Okay, what's his name?
Flash.
What's his name? What's his name? What's his name?
Tinker.
What's his name?
Crash.
Oh, okay, the end.
Yeah.
Another book. You want to see cicada? Cicada.
I got this.
Okay, let's read the dinosaur. Okay. Now, read dinosaur. How do dinosaurs say goodbye? How does dinosaur say goodbye? Does he shake his head hard? No. Does he give a loud cry? No. Does he hide in his bedroom? No, right? So how do you say goodbye?
Bye bye.
I love you, bye bye, right? So you say goodbye to daddy, go to?
Work. To make some money.
To make some money, that's right.
He did what?
He draw on the wall. He's very bad dinosaur. And throw stuff, see? And yell at the girl. He's yelling. Very bad manner, right? Okay? And run and crying. Okay? Okay. When you say goodbye, you just say bye bye.
Bye bye, Germ.
Have a good day.
What to do?
Have a good one. I love you.
Love you.
And hello, daddy. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
See you later. Say it. See you later.
See you later.
Hmm?
Or you could say goodbye or hello or
Goodbye. See you later. Now, give her more books.
I want an.
Dragonflies.
What do ants do?
I don't know.
Bite.
Dragonflies.
Bites.
So, dragonflies,
Do they bite?
they might bite. They have big, like big teeth. Okay. So let's see. Oh, that's the close-up face of dragonfly. Big eyes.
They could bite.
Look.
You'll
So
never touch a dragonfly.
you should not.
Are they insects?
They are insects. Yep. And they come in so many color: blue, black, brown,
Rounder.
orange, brown,
And what's this color?
blue. What else?
And green.
Oh, okay. We have a lot of picture.
Color.
Okay. Đẹp nhỉ?
This one are pretty.
Orange.
This one has no sharp teeth. This one.
Every dragonfly have sharp teeth.
Like what kind of? Like swimming.
Like this. Like a hornet.
Hornet.
Mm-hmm.
Hornet do what?
Hornet kill the wasps. You know?
Kill the wasps.
Hornet.
From where?
Hornet là ong bắt cày đấy. Nào.
Oh, okay. If you touch a harness, what happened?
I don't know. Davy loved his mommy. Oh, Davy is a mouse, huh?
No.
Oh, Bunny. Bunny family was enjoying
Daddy
a lunch of
don't.
carrot. Hả?
Daddy though.
Daddy đây. Maybe daddy đây. Mommy đây. Okay?
Bobby though.
Mommy đây.
No. Baby still.
Let's see. Okay, so they build a what? They build a pirate ship.
And why they don't get on it?
They will get on it. Let's see. Okay, so they reading books. What are they doing?
Like us.
Mm-hmm.
Eating.
They eating. Oh, everybody eating a lot.
So have muscle.
Mm-hmm. Mother Days.
Hey, raccoon.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
This one's so sad. This one is sad, Daddy. This one is sad, so I want it.
Open it. Let me see what's going on. Let me see.
I'm reading a lot of books, Daddy.
That's correct. You're reading a lot of books. Now,
I like my new door.
I know.
Daddy, where's the other door?
I throw it away. It's broken.
Who did it?
Who locked the door?
So who came?
The locksmith.
And then why he broke it?
Because we need to get in the... Okay.
You
Worm. Không phải cicada.
cicada. No, this is the worm.
Oh, that's a worm, but this is a cicada. Say cicada.
Cicada.
Okay.
It's a kind of bug. If we touch
It's
it,
really loud.
if we touch it, what happen?
No, it's not. Nothing happened.
If it doesn't bite?
It doesn't bite, but it's really loud, especially during the night. The quack, 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 eek, eek, eek. And
Who eat it?
a lot of critters eat them, birds eat them. Oh, that's a lot of them. Huh?
And who eat
That's
it?
him. Critters like squirrel eat them.
Where's the do skunk eat them?
Everybody eat them, but they very
people?
loud. No, people not eating them. Only critters and birds. See?
Well, if some animals come to a skunk, what happen?
No. Cedar, cicada.
Cicadas. And I.
Okay, go see mommy.
Did I read good?
You did very good. You read 5 books.